Alright, welcome to my super messy shop. So we don't talk about the Massey Ferguson too much. I gotta be honest, it's just kind of a workhorse for me. So we have 364 hours, I don't know if you can see that on there or not. We have 364 hours on this thing. It's about 5-ish years old. This thing just goes and goes and goes. Today I had my first ever problem with it. And you might be wondering, what was that? Well, this Allen head pin backed out just a little bit, which meant this pin backed out a little bit. Obviously 2 seconds later it's fixed. Now it's very dirty, and I realize that. But you know, if you're in the market for a subcompact loader bucket tractor, or you know, with a mower, you can get mowers for these, you can get all sorts of attachments for these. I gotta recommend this, guys. It's amazing. The GC 1720. This has been an absolutely fantastic tractor for me. We use it every day. I mean, obviously 340 whatever hours. It doesn't get tons of use. It's obviously not overworked. It's obviously dirty. I do keep it well greased. Keep the oil changed. Keep the air filter changed. Keep the hydraulic fluid changed. Just take care of it. It'll take care of you. It's been amazing. It is a little slow to start, even when it's warm like today. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to hop on here real quick. Gonna hit the glow plug for a minute or two. It's about 65 outside, just to give you an idea. Now it's probably going to make a liar out of me, but this thing, you have to crank on it a little bit, even after you've hit the glow plug for a while, before this thing really wants to fire. That would be my only downside of it, but it's an amazing tractor. Anyway, I'll fire it up, and then we're going to call it good on this video. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting. And then, hilariously, I forgot to put it in neutral. Yeah, it made a liar out of me and fired right up, didn't it? Later, guys.